Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Delphina and I'm super excited returning back to you. Today I'm here with an amazing news, and I'm also super excited because I'm showing my face to you guys so you will know. Yeah, for those of you complaining that my voice is not going with the video, I'm so sorry. Okay, like I said in my previous videos that I'm cooking something, okay, and very soon it will be ripe, and it will be right in front of you. No need for anybody to tell you what that is though. So today we're checking out a video of a Ghanaian tackling a Ghanaian. According to the title of this very video, it says how a Ghanaian influencer betrayed his own people for a fake Igbo king. For a very long time, Ghanaians, or should I say Hassan Ayariga, there has been buzz between Hassan Ayariga. Let me not even say Honorable Hassan Ayariga. I'm going to say between Ghanaians and this very self-acclaimed Igbo king, right? Let me clear my voice very well so you guys can hear me. I'm having kata. So to let you know that kata would never stop me from, saying my mind, especially concerning this fake Igbo king. So you already know there has been buzz going between Ghanaians and this very fake Igbo king. If I say the man get coins for a head, he doesn't want to listen, okay? So what is happening right now is that we have found a betrayal. So the latest right now is that Ghanaians have found a betrayal. Yes, this very betrayal is a Ghanaian, and trust Ghanaians now. As they see him, now so they carry him, bring him come public so people would know who that person is. As for me, I know that person and I've been giving it to him back to back, guys. Let's get right into the video and hear what this very humble and kind Ghanaian guy have to say about this. And at the end of it, I would love you to drop your opinion in the comment section. Let's get right into it and I'll be right back. Let's get right into it, guys.
I say, we have seen the Judas Iscariot of Ghana. We have seen Ghana Judas. We have seen Ghana Kwame Nkrumah. Wow! All this for the thief man, one day for the master. In fact, wonders shall never end. And what black man cannot do does not exist. So this guy that was making noise on social media, Nigeria is not going anywhere, Nibos are not going anywhere, this are not going anywhere. So actually, this man knew where he was standing. Yes. I know most of you are familiar with this guy. This guy is called Barrister One. I don't know where he got his barrister title from. I don't know if it's a cafeteria barrister or a court barrister. That one, he should keep it to himself. Let me tell you one thing. If you see someone that is constantly supporting crime or supporting something that is a threat to a neighborhood or a national security, just know that that person is not doing it out of love for the person, but the person is doing it out of his own personal interest or his own selfish gain. He don't even care, even if the country will drive into a mess or the country will collapse for him to gain his own personal interest and feed himself. This is what black man is capable of doing. Now, this guy is now making me understand that it's always black people that stand against their fellow black people, even if in terms of revolution in Africa here. Ever since this Igbo king issue started rising up in Ghana here, that Ghanaians rise up to speak against it because some of us saw it as a national security threat. Because as a foreigner, you cannot travel all the way from your country to another man's country and start parading yourself as a king. Even thinking of buying 200 acres of land and build Igbo community on that particular land and name the streets after your own ancestors. And at the same time, Igbo garden, Igbo hall, whatever, everything in that particular community is Igbo. And that particular community will have one entrance. Look how dangerous this is. And this guy is one of the Ghanaian creators that has been on the nerves of Ghanaians, insulting Ghanaians, trashing the name of Ghana, all in the name of this self-acclaimed king of Igbos in Ghana here. Before we even started, it wasn't like Igbos must go or Nigeria must go. We were saying that the government should intervene and make sure that every agenda this man and whatever he call himself has behind that particular Igbo kingdom, whatever, he should collapse it. That is what Ghanaians were demanding for. But this guy was constantly insulting Ghanaians. Nigerians are not going anywhere. Nigerians are doing this. Nigerians and Igbos are not going. Nobody is saying Igbos should go anywhere. But we were telling the government to intervene and collapse everything because it was a threat to national security. Not knowing that this guy, that he called himself Barrister One, I don't know if it's a cafeteria barrister or a court barrister, he knows where he was standing. That's the reason why he was doing that. See him Wow. Ha! So this is how most of our powerful leaders in Africa here was being overthrown. They sell out their countries for their own selfish interests. There's no difference between a puppet leader in Africa here and you. I don't know the kind of discussion you have had privately with that self-acclaimed king of Igbos. You understand? And I don't know what this man has given you. And even if this man has not given you anything, what this man has told you, or what this man has opened up to you, or what this man has promised to give you, I can see that it is more important to you than the sovereignty of this nation, or more important to you than the safety of this nation. If you understand, one, the reason, let me break it down to you. The reason why this man is getting that particular kind of power to do that is because, one, this self-acclaimed king of Igbos that can call himself king, parading himself every day, that nobody can talk about him, he started it on a very strategic way by aligning himself with our politicians, taking pictures with them, with our local traditional rulers, taking pictures with them, doing all sorts of things, you understand, that makes it look publicly that he's very powerful or he holds a significant position in Ghana here, including our current sitting president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, our previous vice president, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and some of the key vibrant, leaders in this country. He has taken pictures with them, trying to pave his way for outsiders to believe or to know that this man is really somebody in this country. That's the reason why this man can always go to radio stations, trashing Ghanaians, to the extent that this man can even sit on radio to tell Ghanaians that we are uncultured. We don't know the kind of allegiance our leaders owe him. Because for someone to get this particular power and the nerves to insult Ghanaians in this way, just know that this man is standing on something. That's the same way this barrister guy.
Check out this amazing tablet I got from Temu. It cost 180,000 naira.
That's the same way this barrister guy was also doing. Because for this guy call himself barrister and always insulting Ghanaians and trashing Ghanaians, all in the name of this self-acclaimed king of Igbos in Ghana here. Trashing Ghanaians, just we knew that this man was standing on something. I will see how the evidence is coming out. I said every single truth about this matter will come out, will be exposed. Before, I thought this guy was just doing something out of Pan-Africanism or out of the unity of Africa. I never knew it was for his own selfish interest or selfish gain. You understand? You are living in a country whereby how the country was before previously, when it comes to security wise, when it comes to safety wise, when it comes to everything. Now we are not seeing anything, we are not seeing like that anymore. And almost every individual they will arrest by the Ghana police, the national security, the names traces to the same people that want to build Igbo kingdom in Ghana here. And we are saying that no, we are not going to allow that to happen. Because even now that they have not yet established their kingdom in Ghana here, their people are even committing more crimes. Now that you don't even have a serious roots in Ghana here, they are committing crime. They are doing all sorts of illegal activities, like things in Ghana here. So we are not going to allow this particular thing to be. This guy was constantly trashing Ghanaians. This, not knowing that he has some secret connection with a man. And even this particular barrister guy, I don't know if he's a cafeteria barrister, needs to be investigated. Every allegation that Hassan Ayadega has made on that self-acclaimed king of Igbos in Ghana here, if they are investigating that self-acclaimed king of Igbos, they should investigate this guy because this guy knows some secrets. I think it will make sense. Because I don't know the reason why you'll be constantly trashing your own country for a foreigner, which you know that what he's doing is not good. And this man has been parading himself day in and day out. Day in and day out. You see, hey, this is our Judas Iscariot in Ghana. Ghana Kwame Nkrumah Onye. What shows that even if this man goes close to the president and they offer him something to do something bad against the president, the president of the Republic of Ghana, he will do it. If this guy goes close to any government official or goes close to someone that holds a significant position in Ghana here, and they give him something or they promise him something to do something against that person, in his own selfish interest, this guy will do it. Because there's no difference between this guy and the Bible Judas Iscariot. This guy is Ghana Kwame Nkrumah, a Geominama, thinking that he's doing something in favor of Pan-Africanism, African unity. We are all Africans, bro. Nobody is saying we are not all Africans. We are all Africans. But being all Africans, you need to have your limits. You need to know your limits on how you do certain things. You are here calling yourself barrister, but you don't know that our constitution even abolished or even is against foreign to parade themselves as a king in this country. I don't blame you, and I don't blame that particular self-acclaimed king of Igbo, in the two questions, whatever he called himself. I don't blame him, because in the first place, he got allied himself with our politicians and some of our local traditional rulers. That's the reason why he got the nerves to do that, even insult Ghanaians. That's the same route you guy, this barrister guy, was working on. Yes. So since we were shouting, they're not going anywhere. They're not. You know where you were standing. You know what you are gaining from it. I don't personally know what you are gaining from it, but everything shows that anything that a man who put down his life or lay down his life to protect, just know that there's some income coming from that, or there are some benefits that he's gaining, because nobody will risk his life or risk his whatever his identity or his dignity to fight for something that he's not gaining anything from. Yes. So you are betraying your own country for chicken change or token or whatever it is, whatever they are giving you. I think your descendants, your foreign members are part of have the descendant with these people that overthrown Kwame Nkrumah. They sacrifice the, what do you call it, the nation for Nido. These people are very dangerous. I'm being honest with you. This set of people, they are very dangerous. They think about their stomach only. They don't think about anything about the country. You understand? Nobody is saying Nigeria must go. Nobody is saying Igbo must go. But we are saying that every illegal immigrant in this country, without proper documentation, that if they commit crime, you cannot even trace them to arrest them, or they don't have the right documents to stay in the country, they should leave. And it's everywhere. It's everywhere, not only in Ghana. It's everywhere, including their own country. They're exercising it. You understand?